For DSM logins, we strongly recommend setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, to add an extra layer of protection to your account and keep hackers out. With 2FA enabled, you'll first enter your DSM account password when signing in. Then, you'll either approve the sign-in on your phone, enter a verification code, OTP, or use a hardware security key to verify your identity. In this video, we'll show you how to set these up. You can find the timestamp of each section in the video description. Before you begin, we strongly recommend adding and verifying your email at the user icon. Personal. This allows you to get emergency OTPs from Synology in case you can't use your chosen 2FA method. Sign into DSM. Go to Account Settings and click Personal. Go to the Security tab. Click Two-Factor Authentication. Verification code, and enter your password. Follow the instructions in the wizard. A QR code will appear. Install and open the Secure Sign-In app on your phone. On the OTP tab, click the plus sign to scan the QR code. If you can't scan it for some reason, click Can't Scan It to get the account and secret key, which you can then enter manually in the mobile app. Once paired, you should see a 6-digit OTP in the app. The next time you sign into DSM with your password, you'll have to enter this OTP to verify your identity. If you're on a trusted device, select Don't Ask Again on this device to let you sign in quickly next time. First, make sure you're using a public IP address, Quick Connect, DDNS, or domain to access DSM. Sign into DSM. Go to Account Settings and click Personal. Go to the Security tab. Click Two-Factor Authentication and enter your password. Click Approve Sign-In and click Add. Follow the instructions in the wizard. A QR code will appear. Install and open the Secure Sign-In app on your phone. On the Account tab, click the plus sign to scan the QR code. If you can't scan it for some reason, tap Set Approve Sign-In manually and enter your DSM account information. The paired account will show up in the app. On the DSM page, click Done. The next time you sign into DSM with your password, you'll get a notification to approve the request in the Secure Sign-In app on your phone. If Approve Sign-In doesn't appear, click Other Sign-In methods. To configure a hardware security key, you must use an HTTPS connection and a domain name for accessing DSM. The key will be registered to that domain. Make sure to use a security key that complies with U2F and FIDO2 standards, like Windows Hello, Touch ID, or a passkey on your phone. For a list of DSM-compatible hardware security keys, check out the link in the video description. We will set up a USB security key for demonstration. First, insert the USB security key into your computer. Sign in to DSM using your registered domain. Go to Account Settings and click Personal. Go to the Security tab, click Two-Factor Authentication and enter your password. Click Hardware Security Key and click Add. Choose the type of hardware security key you're using. Follow the instructions in the wizard. Enter a name for the security key and click Done. The next time you sign in to DSM via the domain name linked to your security key, you'll first enter your password. Then, just follow the on-screen instructions to use your hardware security key. If the hardware security key option doesn't appear by default, click Other sign-in methods. If you are a DSM system administrator, you can also enforce 2FA for users to improve DSM security. To do this, go to Control Panel, Security, Account. Select the option to enforce 2FA and select which users you want to apply it to. Click Apply when done. The next time your users sign in, DSM will prompt them to set up 2FA. To get the most out of your Synology NES, subscribe to the Synology YouTube channel or click on another video to keep watching.